Hi everyone, how are you doing today? You know what, since we're still in this stay-at-home time frame and we cannot travel freely internationally, what I want to do today is bring you a sweet slice of Myanmar. I want to show you how to make Shwe-Chi-Sa-Nwin-Ma-Kin, which is one of the most popular desserts in Myanmar. It is basically translated as Semolina Pudding or Semolina Cake. It's really simple to make. You will definitely enjoy making this at home. It is delicious, it is rich, and it is a sweet slice of Myanmar. In the mixer, I'm going to put 2 cups of brown sugar. To this, I'm going to add 2 cans of coconut milk. I'm going to mix it at a slow speed. Then we're going to add the 2 eggs. Add the 5 ounces of water. The reason is because for every 1 cup of semolina flour, we want 2 cups of liquid. Since we have 2 cups of semolina flour here, we wanted 4 cups of liquid total. I have transferred the batter into a pot, and when I transferred the batter, I also sieved it so that there's no lumps in the batter. What we need to do now is switch on the heat to medium and then keep stirring until the batter is thickened. It's a labor of love and you're gonna get a great arm workout out of it. Consistency becomes really thick, almost like mashed potato consistency. I think this looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. And when you stir, you can see the bottom of the pan. This is perfect. What we want to do now, sprinkle the raisins in and sprinkle the cashews in. This looks great. Now let's put it in the pan. I have a 9.5 inch baking dish here. I'm going to transfer the dough into the baking dish. If you like, you can taste the dough at this point. It is really delicious. We want to smooth out the surface and level it as much as we can. There, that looks pretty. Now, what we want to do is sprinkle poppy seeds on it. You want to sprinkle poppy seeds all over. The semolina pudding looks like this when it's all assembled. We want to bake the semolina pudding in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes until it is golden brown on top. The semolina pudding is done. It took 40 minutes to bake, and you can see that it is totally golden brown on top and a little bit crunchy around the sides. I wish you can smell it. The aroma of the coconut milk is coming through beautifully. I'll need to let this completely cool, and then we can slice it. Let's taste it. The semolina pudding is absolutely delicious. It is rich, but it is light and fluffy. It is not that sweet, but when you get a bite of that raisin, the burst of sweetness just pops in your mouth. The crust on top has a little crunch to it. The poppy seeds also add a little crunch to it. And if you get a bite of the cashew, you also get a little crunch to it. You definitely have to try at home. It'll go well with a glass of milk or even a glass of champagne, or a sweet Moscato would be a beautiful pairing with this delicious slice of semolina pudding. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you're notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.